So Julia has already saved a pigeon that was stuck behind here. Next one, I'm gonna go and try and get it because it's a little stuck.
Nice. Fun. Yay!
So Julia did this before already off camera. No,
I know!
Right, I'm just gonna let him go.
Yeah. Please don't go right back. Okay, good.
Oh, thank God. Those brambles really sucked.
Yeah, we got perforated a little.
Very scratched up. But 2 pigeons saved. Wood pigeons aren't the brightest, but you know, whoever installed 2 fences about this thick apart.
With razor wire at the top.
Yeah, they're even less intelligent.